Okay, Kipsters, we are going to be doing a quick review game. This will be extra credit for those of us that are taking the test and for those of us that are not taking the test because it is a great time to review. So once you click on the link, it will take you to this website. It should say right here at the top, Star Reading Test Games. And then you do have the ID number right here. I'm also going to include this in your Google Classroom. I don't want you to click start. First, I want you to go ahead and you have the option to select what game you want to play. I personally really like Wild Taxi Racing, so I'm going to select that one. We're closing this ad, and then it'll load to this loading screen. Once you are here, make sure you follow directions so that you can get that extra credit. The game is going to load, and you are going to click right here where it says track my progress. Once you are here, please fill in your first name and your last name. And the ID is the ID code that you saw at the beginning of the game. And if you forgot it, you can go ahead and click that link again. I copied and pasted it from the link, but let me double check to make sure that's the right one. Yep, 56297. So I'm going to go ahead and put 56297, and then I'll click play. It has your instructions, and then anytime you answer a question correct, it is going to give you playtime. The more questions you get correct, the more time you get to play. So during the test, what should you do if you get stuck on a question? Reread the keywords in the question, annotate each answer choice, then go back to the text. Reread the entire passage, skip the question, give up. I hope all of you use this strategy and you go back to the text. And then once I select my answer, click the correct answer to continue, and now I get to play a little bit. So it does have the time left. And what you are going to be doing is just play every time you get a question correct. You will run out of time and then it will give you another question. So I'm trying to make review a little bit more fun and you get extra credit. I will be giving extra credit for those of you that get an 80% or above on these questions. So the questions are very easy. So as long as you get an 80%, you don't have to send me a screenshot, just make sure you track your progress and I'll be able to look at your progress. You can play this multiple times until you get that 80% or above. So if you need to play multiple games, feel free to do so. And if you are someone that's like, wait, I don't want to play the taxi game, then that is okay. You can go ahead and play a different game. Just make sure that once it loads, you still click right here where it says track my progress. Right here, track my progress. Make sure you have your correct ID number, which here would be 56297, and then you can click play. Good luck, Kipsters. You got this.